private lessons into the DSS software, so they don't count against you. And they also will show up in your schedule, so you only have to look at one calendar instead of looking at the 2 or 3 calendars you have for your life. So first thing, let's log in. What we're going to want to do is add an open spot. So I'm going to start with calendar view. Now, of course, you can do this on your phone as well. Today is Friday and it's 12:08. So let's just start a fake one for 2 o'clock. I'm going to create an open time slot, or actually I'm going to create a single appointment. 2 to 4, sure. Notice I'm going to go to private lesson location to be decided. So private lessons don't always happen at the location. So that's why this is happening. I'm going to go with Ophelia because that's my car, and confirmed. We're not going to show this in the student center because we're going to only do this after we've talked to the client and set an appointment, or maybe when we're talking to them, setting the appointment. The student's name is not going to be in there, but we're going to call it a private lesson. And each person has about 100 private lesson slots. So we're going to do private lesson Ben test. Selecting the in-car service, it's going to be a private lesson block. Now, all of the information we can put in any of these notes right here. I'm going to put the pickup location. So let's say it's Dunkin' Donuts in Poland. I'm going to put the person's phone number and the person's name. So let's say their name is Mike Boyd, and their phone number is 207-841-3456 or 65. Right. And any other information I need will be right here. And also if they've paid, I'm going to write paid. Now, alternatively, there could be a chance that this person actually still needs to pay. So, or they said they're going to bring a check. So they're going to bring a check. And I believe this will be everything. Let's go ahead and submit it. Do I want to save it? Yes, I do. So you'll see that it will come up as a private lesson. Notice that I notified it as confirmed. The student's name is Mike Boyd. This is his phone number, and that will be right in there. So it won't get in the way of your ability to do regular scheduled lessons or your classes. So that's pretty much how we do that.